Hi and welcome to the fourth session in our phonics series of home learning lessons. Today we're going to be consolidating the or, are and digraphs. As always, children are going to need some paper, their learning book or whiteboard, something to write with, so a pencil pen or whiteboard pen, and it would be useful for them to have access to some individual letter and digraph flashcards or some magnetic letters if you have them available. You might notice that our revision boxes are a different colour today. They are green instead of blue because we're going to be thinking about some high frequency words that we're learning to read by sight instead of those digraphs that we thought about earlier in the week. Me first, then you. Was. All. My. You. Go. The. To. I. Well done if you were able to read them with me. We just looked at was, all, my, you, go, the, to, I. And now we're going to play our speed recognition game. See if you can beat your adult at home and find the word the fastest. Was. Was. That's right, there it is. W-A-S was. To. To. T-O, to. The. That's right, T-H-E, the. You. Y-O-U, you. Did you find it faster than your adult? I. Yes, there's the capital letter I for the word I. My. M-Y, my. Fantastic. This week we've been thinking about three digraphs. We've been thinking about or, are. These three sounds are all digraphs. They all have how many letters? That's right, they all have two letters, or, and are. Today we're going to be sorting some words and reading words that use the or, are and digraphs. You're going to see a word appear on the screen and we're going to read it together and then decide whether it needs to be in the or, the are or the column. Here is a word on the screen. The first thing we need to do is find the are or digraph. Can you see any of them in this word? Well done. There's the digraph. Let's segment and blend this word together before we sort it. Fur. Where do you think the word fur should go? That's right, it has the digraph, so it needs to go in the column. Let's try another one. Where is the or, are or digraph in this word? Did you find it there in the middle? O and an R making the or digraph. Let's see if we can segment and blend this word. Or, born. Where does born need to go? Well done if you said it had the or digraph and needed to go in the or column. How about this word? Can you see the or, are or digraph here? Yeah, there it is. U and an R to make the digraph. Let's segment and blend this word together. Hurt. Where do we need to place the word hurt? That's right, it needs to go in the column. It has a U and an R to make the digraph. Hurt. How about this word? Which of these digraphs can you see here? There's the R digraph, spelt using an A and an R. Let's segment and blend this word and then see where it goes. Farm. Where should we place the word farm? Well done if you said it needed to go in the R column. Farm. Which digraph can you see here? Be careful, this word has more than one digraph. There's the R digraph. Let's segment and blend the rest of this word. Charm. Where does the word charm need to go? That's right, it goes underneath farm in the R column. Charm. How about this word? It's a little bit longer. Let's segment and blend it together. First of all, does it have the or, R or digraph? Yeah, I think it does. Look, in the middle, there's an O and an R to make the or digraph. Or, storms. Where should storms go? Well done if you said it needed to go in the or column. Storms has an or digraph. I wonder whether you can think of any other words that need to go in the or, R and columns. Adults, you could pause this video now to allow your child time to talk and think about the words that could go in each of the columns. Perhaps you could write some of them down and your child could try to write some of them themselves. I would suggest pausing this video for between 5 to 10 minutes and try to do some writing. Remember that you can use sound buttons and sound lines to help your child identify the sounds they need to use to write each word. When you've had a good go at this activity, resume the video and we'll see what we need to do next. Okay, so it's time to do some sentence reading. We have a sentence here. Can you say any of the words that we've been learning to read on sight? Oh yeah, there's the word was and the word a. So already we know 2/5 of this sentence. Let's see if we can segment and blend the rest. It was. It was a. It was a hard. It was a hard job. It was a hard job. Does this sentence use the or, R or digraph? That's right, the word hard uses the R digraph. How about this sentence? Can you see any sight words here? Yes, it starts with the word I. Let's see if we can segment and blend the rest. I think. I think it. I think it will. I think it will burst. I think it will burst. I think it will burst. Can you see the or R digraph here? There are 3 digraphs in this sentence, so think carefully. That's right, the word burst uses the digraph. Can you see any sight words in this sentence? That's right, there's you and, are there any others? The. You and the. Let's see if we can segment and blend the rest. See you. See you in. See you in the. See you in the or morning. See you in the morning. See you in the morning. Does this sentence use the or, R or digraph? Can you find it? Point to it now. Oh yeah, there it is, in the word morning. I can see an O and an R making the or digraph. Fantastic, you've done some brilliant sentence reading today. How did you feel about your learning? Think about the lesson today and all that we've learnt about the or, R and digraphs this week. Give me a thumbs up if you're feeling confident. A thumbs in the middle if it's tricky but you know what to do to improve, or a thumbs down if you would like your adult to tell me that you need some more help. You've worked really hard this week in Chimera Cox and Baker Bolt classes. Well done.